Today we will make craft for Z sound. Zebra we are going to make. For that you require 2 ears, 2 eyes, black paper, white paper, stapler, scissors, colors and a glass Fevicol to paste. So let's begin. First we are going to make ears. Take a black color, color the inner part of the ears, and then we are going to make the tail. We are going to make the black stripes on the tail. After that we will take the white sheet and we will draw slant lines with black color. You know zebra is black and white, so we are going to draw black slant lines on the white paper like this. And now our body is ready. After that we are going to make the hair. For that we have to draw lines, straight lines on small piece of black paper like this, and then we will cut these lines like this. You will move your scissors on the straight lines. In this, parents will help the children. After cutting the lines, the sheet will look like this and you will have the hair of the zebra. So now our things are ready. So we will take the mark, we will fold the sheet like this and take the mark to make the face of the zebra. Yes. This is the front. Now we will first paste the main hair from the back side. Apply Fevicol or gum, whatever pasting material you have. After doing it, we paste the hair on the top from the back side. Press it nicely. Then turn it. Take the size of the glass also and then turn it. Now we will paste all the body parts. First we will begin with ears. Apply Fevicol on both the corners and now paste ears. Press it nicely. After pasting ears, we will paste the eyes. First keep them and then put the Fevicol, drop of Fevicol, 2 drops of Fevicol and paste the eyes on it. First position it, otherwise when you after fixing they cannot be moved. Now we will make face, paste the face, draw the, after pasting we will draw nostrils and mouth of zebra with white or grey, any color. I am using here grey color. Now the face is ready. Now we have to paste the tail from the back side. We'll apply the gum on the tail, tip of the tail, and we'll paste it and press it nicely with the napkin. Now our zebra is ready. Now with the parents now can help the children. We will from the back side take the stapler and staple it. Now your zebra is fixed. After fixing it, take the glass, put it on the top, and now you can put any of your things in it, your sweets, you can gift it, you can put your crayons, and now your zebra is ready. Enjoy the